Okay students, so let's start with factors, coefficients, like and unlike terms. Fine. So if we have a monomial or we have an algebraic expression, how to find out the factors of that algebraic expression? Suppose we have 5xy, so the factors are 5x and y. If I have 5xy plus 5x squared, suppose let's make it 6x squared. So the factors will be 6, x and x. Fine. So this is how we find out the factors, the numbers or the alphabets which are multiplied with each other. Now how to find the coefficient? Suppose I have to find out the coefficient of x in this case, the coefficient of x. So except x, all the other factors are the coefficient of x. So in this case, coefficient of x is 5y. Coefficient of y is 5x. Coefficient of 5 is xy. Similarly, coefficient of x square is 6. Coefficient of 6 is x square. So anything which is multiplied with that number or alphabet in the term, we are talking about the terms. If I am asking about x square, then I will only consider something which is multiplied by x square and not plus or minus. Okay, so coefficient has to be found out with the help of the term, not with the entire algebraic expression. Fine. Okay, we'll do some more questions on this. Don't worry, I'm just explaining it right now. How to find out like and unlike terms. Before that, let me tell you two things. If I say 5x, then 5 is known as numerical factor. X is known as literal factor. Literal factor. Similarly, if I have minus 6y square, minus 6 is numerical factor and y square is literal factor. So, terms in which literal factors are same, they are known as like terms. We can add or subtract only the like terms, not the unlike terms. If I say 5x and minus 6y square, are they like terms? No, they are unlike terms. Reason? They have a different literal factor. Okay, if I say 5x and 5y, are they like terms? They have 5 in each of them. We will not consider the numerical factor. We will only consider the literal factor, the alphabet and its power. That will decide like and unlike terms. Okay, I'll give you some more examples and then we'll do the addition and subtraction of like and unlike terms. Okay, just take a click of this.